What's up, everybody? I'm going to be showing you guys how I made around $1,700 today day trading in around 7 minutes. All right, so let's go back to 9:30 open really quick and just kind of see what's going on, okay? So we have these 15-minute gaps. We have this reaction off of this 4-hour. If we go into our 4-hour chart, you can clearly see that we're in this higher time frame buy model, right? We have this 4-hour gap here. We've swept all of this generated liquidity. So now we can expect distribution legs back up to all-time highs, okay? However, once market opens, this is not what we do, right? We do get a very good Judas off rip. So you can see our 15-minute here that we have marked out. It's like right here. Just that dotted line's the 15-minute. Just use your imagination. So we immediately rip into this 15-minute, and I want to get a trade up to this 1 hour. Okay, and what do? Very nice Judas, very nice rejection wick, 60 point wick. Now, your inversion damn near takes your DOL. Okay, so obviously I'm fading this. The highest time frame iFVG as well. Oh my God, what is going on? Like, ooh, okay, so your highest time frame inversion already takes your DOL. Kind of butt, right? Not ideal. However, at this point I'm thinking, okay, we probably will not get a trade today, but I'm still optimistic because on days that it's kind of butt, we could still get something, just be reactive. It's how the market works, right? So then we get our 1 hour tap. We get our resweep in our 1 hour. We start getting legs lower. Okay, so it's pretty obvious here. We want to target these 930 lows. We want to target these London lows here. The only thing that I am skeptical of, right, is that we are targeting a wick that has swept liquidity, that is in a high time frame gap, right? So just something to be wary of, okay? Because normally I don't want to go against the trend. However, hourly, right, you can see that we're in a pretty steep downtrend, okay? So hopefully, if we do want to go higher, we want to take out these 930 lows first. Hopefully, right? Because I was totally willing to get break even on this because I was just convicted to these London lows. Because if we're going to take out 930 and we're having this much bearish momentum, I can just assume that we're going to want to take out those lows as well, right? So we open a 5-minute continuation gap here. We also got a trade here. We got this 4-minute. Why is my trading view genuinely lagging? So we got this 4-minute. Didn't really like this too much. I don't really know. I don't have the best explanation. I just didn't like it. I don't really like 4 or 5-minute gaps, or inversions, I mean. But if it's a 4 or 5 minute, I have no choice. It's an A+ trade. I will take it. At this time and point, though, ES just looks super bullish, right? Like I said, high time frame wick. I want more confirmation that we do want to go to these lows, hence this continuation gap. Okay, so we open this 5-minute gap. We tap into it. We get this inversion here that I'm not a fan of either. Why? Huge rejection wick. 14-point rejection wick, 7.8 point body, right? So I'm like, okay, we could deliver off this. Let's wait for the change in the state. Change in the state has a even bigger rejection wick. I do not like this, okay? This is when you can anticipate a resweep now that, because we've generated this liquidity, okay? If we want to just rip lower here, we have the disrespect of our bias. We have our inversion. We should just rip here, okay? However, we don't. And ES is still looking very, very weird. We didn't get the inverse on ES, so I just want to be wary. And then what happens, okay? We get the resweep back into the 5-minute. So at this time and point, we put in the SMT. So right now, this is when ES sweeps this 930 high inside of the 1 hour and 4 hour gap, if we can see here. Just beautiful. Just beautiful, right? Then we have our SMT. We have our low time frame manipulation. We have our redistribution, right? We have generated lows now. So I want to see our high time frame candle flip, which is exactly what we do. Look at this huge rejection wick. 10 a.m. opens. Now, I know a lot of people were worried of entering on 10 a.m. However, 10 a.m. is not going to re-manipulate when you have already manipulated, especially when it's a continuation. There's not really anything to manipulate. And if we want to manipulate to go higher or whatever, our trade idea is going to be wrong, okay? Our trade idea is just simply going to be wrong. After this, after what we have seen now, the 1 hour tap, our 5 minute continuation gap reaction out of that, we shouldn't want to be going higher here, okay? We have a protected high, SMT in the gap, swept liquidity. There's no reason we should want to go higher here, and 10 a.m. isn't going to just manipulate you because for the fuck of it, you know what I mean? And then bam, took my entry here. Super nice iFVG. This is what you want to see, okay? If this is, there's no better difference between a booty iFVG and a amazing iFVG, okay? Resweep SMT, super displacing iFVG, 5 minute continuation. I'll take this every single time, okay? But this, we already know why this is bad. I'm not gonna go over it again. Just terrible. Huge rejection wick. Just rejecting to go lower. The delivery was trash. After something like this, you want to see an iFVG like our right hand side, okay? And then we just flush, break even there, TP there, literally 6 minutes, and let me show you guys the P&L. $1,734, shebang, beautiful day. That's really all that I took today. I'm going to get off here. I'm going to go to the gym now. Amazing. Just beautiful. Beautiful, stellar PA this week. I love to see it. I think I don't know how many days I need for a payout. I don't really give a fuck. But I threw some more evals in there. Some alpha evals. Those are almost passed. I think I need 1 or 2 more trades to pass those. But yeah, I appreciate you guys tuning in. We all caught these shorts, brother. We all caught these shorts, dog. Yeah, just beautiful. Beautiful. Yep. And the boy JC has the exact same narrative. Oh, yeah. What a fucking guy, man. What a guy. Love to see it. But all right, boys. I love you, boys. Thank you guys for tuning in. Let me show the executions really fast. Bang, bang, shebang. You can see, right, just beautiful entry. Stop at the high. But yeah, love you guys. Peace out. You guys have a good rest of your day. All my links are going to be down in the description below. Make sure to use my code on Alpha Futures as always. Love you, boys. More content on the way.